What if I told you that the secret to capturing the attention and admiration of anyone, even those who fail to recognize your value, doesn't come from trying to change their minds, but from transforming yourself? The journey starts by shifting the focus inward, regaining control over your emotions, actions, and mindset. The ancient Stoics believed that real power and influence come from mastering yourself, not from seeking approval from others. By living with confidence, integrity, and self-respect, you naturally command the respect and appreciation of others. Today, we'll explore these timeless principles and uncover how you can become the kind of person they can't help but notice and admire. Are you ready to take charge of how the world sees you? When someone doesn't value you, the natural reaction is to seek their approval or try to prove your worth. But this approach often backfires, leaving you feeling even more disrespected. Stoicism offers a radically different perspective. Instead of chasing external validation, focus on mastering yourself. By cultivating inner strength and self-worth, you naturally become someone who commands respect and admiration. Here are actionable Stoic strategies to transform how others perceive you by first transforming yourself. Number 1. Understand your sphere of control. The Stoic principle of the dichotomy of control reminds us to focus only on what we can control while letting go of what we cannot. As Epictetus wisely stated, some things are within our power, while others are not. This means you cannot control how someone feels about you, but you can control how you respond to their behavior and how you carry yourself. First, stop chasing approval. Their opinions are beyond your control, and by no longer seeking their validation, you free yourself from their influence. Next, focus on your actions by directing your energy toward what you can control, like your mindset, growth, and how you behave. Finally, detach emotionally by understanding that their lack of appreciation reflects their perspective, not your worth. By embracing these steps, you reclaim your power and inner peace. When you stop chasing approval, you begin to understand that your self-worth isn't dependent on someone else's recognition. Their validation, or lack thereof, doesn't define your value. Instead, by focusing on your actions, you empower yourself to grow in ways that align with your principles. For example, rather than worrying about how others perceive you, invest your energy in building your skills, improving your character, and living with integrity. Emotional detachment is the final key. It doesn't mean you stop caring. It means you stop overreacting. Remind yourself that their opinions and behaviors are rooted in their experiences, biases, and struggles, not in any truth about who you are. By practicing this mindset, you create a shield of resilience that protects your inner peace, allowing you to thrive regardless of how others treat you. Number 2, build unshakable confidence. Confidence isn't about being the loudest in the room. It's a quiet strength built on self-assurance and a deep understanding of your worth. As Marcus Aurelius wisely said, the happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts. To truly become someone others admire, you must first believe in your own value. Begin by cultivating inner peace. Take time to reflect on your strengths and what makes you unique. Journaling can help you appreciate these qualities and solidify your self-belief. Next, set clear boundaries to protect your energy and self-respect. Confidence grows when you define what is acceptable in your life and stand firm against anything that violates those standards. Finally, master your emotions by practicing control over your reactions, especially in the face of criticism or rejection. Remaining calm under pressure not only preserves your peace, but also makes you appear composed and admirable. Confidence, rooted in these practices, radiates naturally and inspires others. When you approach life with this kind of quiet confidence, you no longer feel the need to seek validation from others. Instead, your sense of self-worth becomes independent of external opinions. This allows you to remain unaffected by the ups and downs of life. Inner peace gives you the clarity to focus on what truly matters, aligning your actions with your core values. As a result, your confidence stems from authenticity, not pretense. Moreover, setting clear boundaries not only strengthens your confidence, but also fosters respect from others. People learn to value your time and energy when you demonstrate that you value them yourself. This doesn't mean you need to be confrontational. A firm yet respectful no speaks volumes about your priorities and self-respect. Finally, mastering your emotions makes you resilient. Challenges and criticisms lose their sting when you learn to respond with calm logic instead of impulsive reactions. This emotional stability creates an aura of reliability and strength, qualities that naturally draw people toward you. Confidence isn't about proving yourself. It's about knowing yourself and showing up in a way that aligns with your values. This is how you build genuine admiration and respect from those around you. Number 3, embody excellence. People are naturally drawn to excellence because it inspires admiration and respect. Seneca wisely stated, "Excellence withers without an adversary," reminding us that challenges and even lack of recognition can fuel our determination to grow. Use this as an opportunity to focus on developing your skills and mastering areas that matter to you. When you commit to personal growth, success becomes a beacon that naturally attracts others' attention. Embrace a growth mindset, viewing challenges not as setbacks but as valuable lessons that help you evolve and improve. Let your progress speak louder than words. Additionally, radiate positivity, finding joy and beauty even in difficult situations. A true Stoic inspires others by being a source of strength and encouragement, making their excellence not only about personal achievement but also about uplifting those around them. By focusing on personal growth, you're not just improving your own life, but also setting an example for others. Excellence is contagious, and the more you commit to becoming the best version of yourself, the more others will take notice and be motivated to do the same. This doesn't mean you should seek recognition, but rather, let your actions and achievements speak for themselves. When you encounter obstacles or feel unrecognized, remember that these moments are opportunities to refine your skills even further. They can serve as fuel to keep pushing forward. Through this consistent dedication, your excellence will become undeniable. A growth mindset is crucial in this process. Instead of feeling defeated by challenges, see them as stepping stones toward personal evolution. Every obstacle can teach you something valuable, and every setback is just an opportunity to come back stronger. As you grow and improve, you naturally become more resilient, and people will begin to notice your quiet strength and determination. Lastly, radiating positivity is an essential element of Stoic strength. Even in the face of adversity, a Stoic finds beauty in life's struggles. This ability to stay optimistic, calm, and focused not only benefits you, but it also encourages those around you to adopt the same mindset. When you maintain a positive attitude, despite life's ups and downs, you become a beacon of hope and inspiration. By uplifting others with your attitude and actions, you create a ripple effect that spreads positivity far beyond yourself. Number 4, master the art of strategic silence. The Stoics believe that silence could be more powerful than words, and that sometimes saying nothing at all speaks louder than any statement. They taught that we should only speak when necessary and let our actions do the talking instead. One key principle is to withdraw attention from those who don't value you. If someone isn't showing respect or appreciation, don't chase after them. Giving them space often creates curiosity and can make them realize your worth. When you do speak, make your words count. Speak with purpose and intention, ensuring that what you say is meaningful and impactful. Lastly, letting your absence be felt can be incredibly powerful. By stepping back, you allow others to recognize what they've taken for granted, and sometimes this absence is the best way to remind them of your value. By practicing silence, you're not only showing restraint, but also maintaining your own peace. Stoicism teaches that our worth doesn't depend on the validation of others, but rather on how we conduct ourselves. When you remove yourself from situations where you're not valued, it sends a message that your time and energy are precious. This absence can create an awareness in others that might lead them to reflect on their own actions and reconsider their treatment of you. Furthermore, when you speak with purpose, your words carry more weight because they are deliberate and considered. This creates an environment where people take your opinions seriously, knowing that you don't waste words. Silence, when used strategically, becomes a tool of power and influence, helping you to control the narrative of your life rather than letting external circumstances dictate it. Number 5. Cultivate a magnetic aura. A person who is content, confident, and has a clear sense of purpose naturally attracts others. This is something Stoics achieve by living according to their principles, which guide them toward a peaceful and fulfilled life. First, they live authentically, staying true to themselves without trying to impress or please others. When you embrace your true self, others are naturally drawn to your genuine nature. Stoics also practice gratitude, which helps them focus on what they have rather than what they lack. This shift in perspective not only brings more peace, but also makes them more appealing to those around them. Finally, Stoics radiate calm confidence. Their composed and steady presence shows inner strength and resilience, qualities that people deeply respect and admire. This combination of authenticity, gratitude, and calm confidence makes a Stoic individual magnetic. When you live authentically, you create trust and respect with others because they see you as genuine without pretense. Practicing gratitude fosters a positive energy that is contagious. People are naturally attracted to someone who appreciates what they have, rather than constantly seeking more. Finally, the calm confidence that Stoics embody helps them navigate challenges without being rattled, which reassures others and makes them feel safe and supported in their presence. By aligning their actions with their values, Stoics effortlessly draw others toward them, not by force, but through the quiet power of living a life of purpose and inner peace. Conclusion: become the best version of yourself. When you truly master yourself, there's no need to beg for attention or respect. They will naturally come to you. This happens when you apply Stoic principles like self-discipline, emotional control, and inner strength. As you grow in these areas, you'll not only feel more confident in your own worth, but you'll also become someone others look up to and admire. Stop wasting time chasing after people who don't appreciate you. Instead, invest your energy into becoming the best version of yourself. The right people will start to notice your growth and strength, while those who didn't value you will regret it. Remember, as Marcus Aurelius wisely said, waste no more time arguing about what a good person should be. Be one. When you focus on becoming who you are meant to be, everything else falls into place effortlessly. By embodying Stoic wisdom, you shift your mindset from seeking external validation to cultivating inner peace and strength. This change in focus allows you to stop measuring your worth by how others treat you. Instead, you start to measure it by your actions, your growth, and your commitment to your own values. The more you grow in self-mastery, the more you naturally attract people who resonate with your authenticity and confidence. You stop chasing approval because you realize that true respect comes from living according to your principles, not from appeasing others. As you continue on this path, You'll find that the right people will be drawn to your presence, while those who aren't aligned with your values will fall away. In the end, it's not about proving anything to anyone. It's about being the person you are meant to be and letting the world recognize your worth. If you found these Stoic strategies helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Quotes and Relax 95 for more powerful insights on how to master yourself and live with purpose. Sharing this video with someone who could benefit from it is a great way to spread wisdom. And always remember, your true worth isn't determined by what others think of you, but by how you hold yourself and live with integrity. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.